The plate load test is a method for determining the strength characteristics of soil in situ by measuring the amount of deformation and force when a rigid plate is forced to penetrate the soil. A hydraulic cylinder is used to react against some plant or equipment to apply the force. In this case we have used an excavator. The force is measured with a load cell placed between the cylinder and the reaction, with a pressure transducer in line to measure the hydraulic pressure. The deformation is measured with 4 50mm travel displacement sensors mounted to timber beams. Timber is used to minimise thermal distortions. The hydraulic cylinder is controlled electronically by the data acquisition computer using software feedback from the load cell. This provides accurate load ramps, holds and unloads. All measurements are recorded to the computer at 5-second, 15-second or 1-minute intervals depending on the test phase. The data can be graphically represented in time or XY formats during the test to monitor the progress.